So this video is showing you how to create a scatter plot and a line of best fit using Google Sheets. So if you look here, I have data. So this would be an example for the bouncing around lab. So after 5 seconds, they bounce 25 times, 10 seconds, 56, 15, 79, 20, so on and so forth. And so if this person wanted to create a Excel spreadsheet or a Google sheet and a scatter plot off of this data, all they'd have to do is select their data, don't select their labels, just their data, go to Insert, and then click on Chart. Once you click on Chart, you will have a bunch of different options. You'll go to Chart Type, and you don't want a column chart. You will scroll down to Scatter Plot. Click on this, and there is your scatter plot. And notice how they kind of make it nice and easy for you. Google is able to tell that, oh, this is the number of bounces and this is the number of seconds, even without highlighting your labels. If they didn't do that for you, you could easily just go in and customize and say, okay, I'm going to go to my, I forget where it is. I think it's right here, chart and access titles, and go to type, and you could label your chart here. So you could say bounces versus seconds, or you could say bouncing around. You could also go to your horizontal axis and label your seconds. And you could go to your vertical axis and label your bounces if you wanted to and change that. So notice if you change it, it changes over here as well. So add an S, and there we go. So that's how you would label it. Now, a lot of people want to know, how do I make a line of best fit off of this data? So once you have your data, you are going to go down to Series. Once you click Series, you're going to say, okay, I'm going to apply this to my data, bounces, and I'm going to go down to Trend Line. Trend Line means the same thing as line of best fit or best fit line. So I'm going to click on Trend Line, and you'll notice a line of best fit comes right up. And there's my line of best fit. If you want to know what your R squared value is, just scroll down, and right here you'll find Show R squared value. Click on that, and you'll see that your R squared value is 0.991. So this is very close to 1. So this is actually a very good set of data. It's pretty accurate, and it follows your line pretty well. Now the great thing about doing this in Excel is that you could take this chart and you could easily just copy it by pressing Control-C and then create a new document and just paste it in. So you could paste it linked or unlinked. If you paste it unlinked, there, it pops up just as an image. So when you're doing your project, you don't have to make a whole new sheet of paper to show your graph. You could add this right into your linear modeling project. And so that's how you make a linear modeling project that's how you make a scatter plot and a best fit line using Google Sheets.